Meaning of drawers.
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 Drawers. The word drawers typically refers to a type of clothing worn as undergarments, specifically ones that cover the lower body from the waist to the thighs or ankles. They are usually made of a soft material such as cotton or silk and come in various styles, including briefs, boxers, and panties. Drawers are designed to provide comfort, support, and modesty while also preventing chafing or irritation. They are an essential part of many people's everyday attire and can be found in most clothing stores or online retailers.